Really good. So, excuse me. We're doing a video, Mia. I'm trying to film this. Hey guys, what is up? I'm Dharma Indigo. This is Mia. She wanted to chill for this video. I just got off work, so she's all like, give me attention, I need attention. So she's just hanging out with me. I'm chilling in my room right now. Sorry, it's kind of like very bright. I just put like the regular sunlight from my window while I film this. But yeah, so somebody at work had a face mask and they were like, this is too small, do you want it? And it was like a white one, so I was like, yes, I want it, because I would like to tie-dye it. Because my other tie-dyeing video, a lot of people saw it, so I really wanted to do another one, because that was my first time ever doing tie-dye on a mask, and pretty much just doing tie-dye in general. So I tried a different technique on this one. I don't think you can mess up with tie-dye, because you just can't. So let me show you how it looks. I did like, I guess you would say like an accordion type style, but this is what it looks like. We have some white going through. I probably let this just chill. Like, I dyed it and I put it in like a bag and I just let the dye sit for probably I'm trying to think, because I did the tie-dye and then I went out of town and then I came back and then I like worked 2 days, so maybe it set in the dye for like 4 days or so. But I really like how it turned out. It's just like a blue color. But if you would like to know how I created this, keep watching.
Shout out to Black Diamond. Shout out to Black Diamond.
I just untied my mask. This is what it looks like. I did something different, but I kind of like it. So now I'm just gonna rinse it out. I'm just gonna put it in some water and I'm gonna rinse it out and see what happens. So this is what it looks like after I rinsed all of the dye out. I kept squeezing it until no more blue dye was rinsing out. I like it. It looks very different than the other one I did. I mean, there's really not that many white spots, and it's definitely a different type of tie-dye, but I like it. You know, it's unique. You know, that's the word we're going to use for it, but I'm just going to let this air dry overnight, and I'll come back to you and let you see what it looks like on my face when it's all done. Hi, Mama. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, she's such an angel.